scientifically proven fruits that increase testosterone levels. There's a certain fire that defines human strength, quiet, invisible, yet undeniable. It lives in confidence, in focus, in drive. It's not just about muscles or masculinity, it's the pulse of vitality that makes you feel alive in your own body. That fire has a name: testosterone. For years, people have treated testosterone like a number on a lab test, but it's more than biology. It's rhythm, motivation, resilience. It influences everything from metabolism to mood, from bone density to brain sharpness. And while supplements promise miracles in bottles, nature has been whispering the real answer all along, through fruits that heal, fuel, and restore balance from within. Scientists now confirm what ancient healers always knew: what grows from the earth can shift your chemistry. Certain fruits don't just nourish, they ignite. They feed the glands that produce testosterone, calm the stress hormones that suppress it, and flood the body with antioxidants that keep it active longer. Let's begin with one of the strongest allies, pomegranate. The International Journal of Impotence Research published a study showing that drinking pomegranate juice daily for just 2 weeks increased testosterone levels by an average of 24% in both men and women. Its antioxidants, especially punicalagins, improve blood flow, lower cortisol, and stimulate nitric oxide production, all vital for hormonal performance. In other words, pomegranate doesn't just raise testosterone, it helps you feel it: clearer mind, steadier energy, deeper strength. Then comes bananas, simple, familiar, yet biochemically brilliant. They contain bromelain, an enzyme linked to testosterone preservation, and high amounts of B vitamins that lower stress-induced cortisol. When cortisol drops, testosterone rises naturally. Athletes often eat bananas before workouts, not only for quick glucose, but because their magnesium and potassium improve circulation, the silent foundation of hormonal balance. And here's the beauty of it: none of this is extreme. It's gentle, sustainable, honest, because your hormones don't need shock therapy, they need nourishment that speaks their language. Imagine walking through a tropical orchard: sunlight, soil, scent. Every fruit there carries a different conversation with your body. Take avocado, for instance. Technically a fruit, it's loaded with monounsaturated fats, the good kind that stabilize cholesterol. Since testosterone is synthesized from cholesterol, these fats act as raw material for hormone production. The Journal of Steroid Biochemistry notes that diets rich in these fats correlate with higher testosterone levels and improved sperm quality. Next, figs. Soft, ancient, symbolic of fertility for a reason. They contain trace minerals like zinc and manganese, essential cofactors in testosterone synthesis. Zinc in particular is like the ignition key for your body's hormonal engine. Low zinc equals low testosterone. Restore it, and the body remembers its strength. Then there's watermelon, which scientists at Texas A&M University call nature's natural Viagra. It's rich in citrulline, an amino acid that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, indirectly supporting testosterone function. Good circulation means efficient nutrient delivery to the glands and muscles where hormones do their work. Pineapple also deserves a spotlight. Beyond its sweetness lies bromelain, the same enzyme found in bananas, plus vitamin C and magnesium, both proven to reduce oxidative stress in the testes, where most testosterone is produced. Less oxidative stress equals higher hormonal output. Finally, grapes, especially red ones, their skin contains resveratrol, an antioxidant that protects Leydig cells, the testosterone factories inside the testes. Research in molecular nutrition and food research shows that resveratrol supplementation can raise testosterone and improve sperm motility. A handful of grapes a day may do more than you think. When you start combining these fruits, something remarkable happens. They don't compete, they cooperate. Antioxidants from one amplify enzymes from another. It's nature's version of teamwork, restoring what modern stress slowly erodes. Because the goal isn't to boost testosterone like a surge, it's to help your body remember its natural rhythm. Before you chase the next superfood, pause. The body doesn't live in isolation. Testosterone isn't just suppressed by age, it's suppressed by lifestyle, stress, poor sleep, processed food, alcohol. They drain the very systems these fruits are trying to heal. High cortisol is testosterone's rival. The two share a teeter-totter relationship. When stress goes up, testosterone goes down. That's why foods that calm the nervous system, magnesium-rich bananas, antioxidant-rich pomegranates, vitamin C-heavy citrus, are so powerful. They lower the noise inside your body so your hormones can find harmony. Sleep is another hidden hormone regulator. Studies in JAMA found that men who slept less than 5 hours per night for a week experienced a 10–15% drop in testosterone. When you combine poor sleep with nutrient-deficient diets, your internal factory shuts down. These fruits help partly because they reverse deficiency. Magnesium supports relaxation, vitamin C calms adrenals, natural sugars feed glycogen stores that tell your body you're safe. Safety allows testosterone to rise. And remember, the goal of higher testosterone isn't vanity, it's vitality. Balanced testosterone improves mood, motivation, and metabolism. It helps maintain bone density and sharpens cognitive performance. It gives you that quiet, grounded confidence that doesn't need to prove anything. It just is. So, when you eat these fruits, pomegranate, banana, avocado, fig, pineapple, grape, watermelon, you're not chasing a quick fix. You're feeding a deeper system, your endocrine intelligence. Imagine building a ritual instead of a restriction. Morning, a glass of pomegranate juice with lemon for antioxidant ignition. Afternoon, a banana or handful of grapes instead of an energy drink. Evening, avocado toast with black pepper and olive oil, a few slices of fig for dessert. Nothing extreme, nothing synthetic, just rhythm. Within weeks, energy steadies, focus sharpens, workouts feel easier. You start to sense that internal spark. Not jittery energy, but steady vitality. That's your hormones recalibrating. But let's be honest, food is only one piece. Move your body. Lift weights or do resistance training. Both increase testosterone naturally. Manage stress, meditation, breath work, sunlight. Combine those with these fruits, and you create an ecosystem of strength. The National Institutes of Health calls this lifestyle synergy. Small habits that multiply when aligned, food sets the foundation, movement builds the structure, rest repairs it, and testosterone, it's the electricity that keeps it all alive. So the next time you think of testosterone, don't picture supplements or shortcuts. Picture orchards. Picture color. Red from pomegranates, green from avocados, gold from pineapples, violet from grapes. Each shade holds a story of repair. Each bite tells your body you're still powerful, because real strength doesn't come from what you add, it comes from what you remember. If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's grow together. Nutrition and Rise.